Hello, my friends. Here I am with my journals. This is Maria here, and I was inspired, or I am inspired by these amazing frames. I print them from 49 Dragonflies, and I think that they are so beautiful and inspiring. So what I'm going to do is I have this picture that is actually a vintage picture. This is my dad with my kids. This was a long time ago, probably. I can see the date here. This was around probably 2000 and 2002 probably, and so probably around 20 years ago. So I was trying to see what was the best frame so I can use with this picture. So I cut it and I was measuring, and I figured out that this one is the perfect frame for that. But I don't want it super plain. I want to add some elements that allow me to embellish it and to have it really nice inside my journal. So as you can remember, if you might remember, this is my journal. I have been fusing or making a fusion between crochet and journals, and you can see twigs all over my journals because I love them. And this is my really personal journal, so I have the picture here, and I'm gonna see what spot do I have in here so I can dedicate that tribute to my dad. This would be a nice place so we can have this in the back of the page. Let me see how can it looks like. Well, I'm not sure. I don't have enough space there. Let me keep looking. I think this journal is already pretty full, and I really want to dedicate a full page for this picture. What about this spot here? I believe that this is the perfect place for this picture here. So what I'm going to do, as you can see, I have a lot of personal journaling. I love to write in this journal, and it's a meditation, and it's something really fun to do. I believe that if I place it here, I don't need too much in order to finish this amazing idea. So I'm going to probably use another elements. I want to probably add a butterfly or something else, but I believe that this is really nice already because of the flower and because of this girl. Actually, a student gave me that. She's really good at painting, and I can probably look for a butterfly that is not too big and not too colorful to see what matches better in here. And I'm looking at this butterfly here that has some blue on these areas here. Probably that can go better, or probably a really almost white one can be the best one for this one. Let me see what we decide because you can help me to decide. So that's what we have, and I strongly believe that those probably this one is the one I'm going to be using. This is kind of shiny, that's why you see the light reflecting over there. I can always use that butterfly in the back of the girl. She already has a backpack, but probably there it'll be nice, or probably on the frame. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to glue the picture into the frame. I'm going to just add the glue around here and make sure that I have the picture in the right place. It has a bunch of lavenders here, so they're supposed to be hanging down way. So I'm gonna leave it like so. I guess that's the perfect frame for this picture. It's super nice and cool. And also, I don't want the glue to come out from the frame, so I'm gonna leave it just like so. And the options I have about butterflies, this is too strong. It really doesn't match with anything else. I guess the best one is either this one or this one. This is also too heavy for that. But let me take a look because I was looking for something probably blue that matches better, but they are too big for this um, area that I have here for this page. Let me look. I have something with more blue inside here, and as you can see, I keep my cuttings from books and pictures and a lot of, you know, ephemeras in this photo album. It's a super good idea. You keep them organized and you can find them really, really quick. This is perfect for the place, but it's too big, so I don't think I can use this one. Well, I think I'm gonna stay with the frame, and now I'm gonna go to the second part that is going to be to glue the picture, the frame down in the page. As you can see, it's not really centered, but it was where the frame was indicating me, and when I wanted to have the person in here, just frame it into that place. So this is ready, almost ready, and I'm gonna go with a tissue here so I can take the extra glue out. I don't want to ruin this amazing moment and amazing page. I love it, and it's super meaningful for me, and I really need to place the date there so I can remember, and everybody that sees this can know about the date I was about when that picture was taken. And so what about having just half of a butterfly, or just folding the butterfly to the other page? No, I don't think that is gonna look okay. So probably I'm gonna probably not do anything with the butterfly. Let me see if I can do another frame. I have a couple of them here. I actually cut many of them here. I guess like I have more than 10 because I was in love with this idea. So what about having another frame, probably on the rose? It's kind of weird, but it's artistic, but I really like the rose the way it is. So what about, I guess this is gonna stay just the way you're looking at it. And another idea that I have is that I can go ahead and paint the butterfly. So let's see, I have here some oil pastels, and let's see what happened. So we can go here and try to paint the butterfly. I don't know, this is glossy. I don't know if this is gonna paint on top of that. It's kind of hard. I don't think it's taking it, but let's see. Oh, this it looks a little bit more blue, but I don't like the result. I'm not gonna go with this butterfly at all. And I keep going with the idea of this blue butterfly. So I think I'm just gonna go with the butterfly here and just leave it like that, like popping out of the page. But for that, I am going to frame it or glue it on top of a cardboard. So I'm gonna place it here in order for me to have it on top of something sturdy. So let's glue it here. I'm gonna use glue, and let me go here. My brushes are around here, I don't know, but I don't want to miss not even a second to finish this amazing work. So this is gonna allow me, oh, actually I did it upside down. I need the white part outside, so I'm just gonna glue it here so I can have the white in the back or on the back of the butterfly. So this is what we have. I'm gonna cut it so we can trace it around. And tell me, how are you doing? How are your projects doing? Have you been working lately? Fall is almost here, and fall is a great season to work on journals because of all the changes, the soft breeze, the cooler of the weather. I mean, I love summer, and also I love probably more autumn and fall. So, because probably one of the favorite color, my favorite color is green, but I also like orange. Orange takes you to take action, and it's a warm color. So I love fall because of the change of the colors of the leaves and all the contrasting in the forest, and many of the plants, they change their leaves color. So I'm almost all set with the butterfly. Now it's a little bit more sturdy, and I am having the white on the back so it can be popping out, and also it can be used as a tab so I will know where this page is, and you will see it now. So I have it here. It's going to go here, but you're always gonna see that part popping out of the page. So that's the idea. And I'm going to go here and glue it here right away. So I'm using this vintage frames. They are super nice, and you can use them almost everywhere. Now I'm looking for my distress vintage photo, and it's right here because I want to give the butterfly a touch of brown all the way around so I can get rid of the brown. And I'm gonna go here just the way you're seeing it is. So this is really meaningful for me because I actually love blue roses. I love, of course, my dad. I love more my son and my daughter. They nowadays they are grown up, and they are professionals. You know, time goes really fast. So that's what we have, and that's what I have. And I'm going to decide where to place the butterfly so I can have the glue on the right place. Actually, here you can see it says do not be afraid, and just go ahead, and you're always gonna learn something. That's what I have there in that on that page. So I was trying to cover it, but it is not personal. It's actually probably the message you need to listen today. So don't be afraid. Just go ahead and, you know, jump or splash in the water and the situation, and make it flow and be successful. That's the message for today. Don't be afraid. So that's the place for the butterfly. I am in love with the results. I can probably check from this area here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the tissue again because the glue is coming out from here. All right, so I have it there. I like it very much. The result is nice. Let me just place it like this so it's not gonna be flashing or something with the lights. And look at how beautiful is the combination and how meaningful is this for me. So thank you, Dad. I did this to honor you because you love my children so much that they can't forget that, and I always remember that. So you are in my heart. So I'll see you in my next episode. I think and I believe I can inspire you with this amazing little pieces of my heart and of my journals. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it now. You just need to click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell. So I see you soon, my friends, and I hope you can just grab your photos and your ephemeras and start decorating your journals. And remember, I will always be here to invent something, to do something new in order to inspire you. I see you soon, my friends, and you can go here in my channel and see if you can watch this video and this episode where I decorate this twig here that is amazing and I love it. And also you can see the decoration step by step of this other twig that I use on the spine of this amazing journal that I named Celebrate. So bye, my friends. I see you pretty soon, and have fun creating. Bye bye. See you soon. Thank you, friends. Thanks.